Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 8th, 2020. Time for you all to see our price prediction and forecast for Beyond Meat. Time to see whether or not the market trapper is still trying to push the value of this particular product higher in price. If this is your first time watching our video, make sure you go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, because you're going to see how easy it is to forecast price movement and as well as be ahead of the game before everyone else. This is the one advantage that you and I have in terms of trying to be in the right place at the right time before the market moves, right? So let's go ahead and do that, and then follow us with the rest of our community on our website at HueFinancial.com in order to see all of our other price predictions within the stock market. Now, last time we did our video for Beyond Meat was on April the 24th. You can already tell that we were looking for this particular product to continue to see the market move higher, and that's precisely what occurred. Let's look at the performance of the market in Beyond Meat. Like I said, we did our video here on the 24th of April. You guys can see that we're expecting the market in Beyond Meat to see higher price. So at least you should have got about 19.5% out the market. If not that, you're still into the market today. You could be up 33.74%. All right. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. This is old news. And another thing you guys can tell, if I were to adjust this ascending line, is that the market in the Beyond Meat generally is still in an uptrend that is not broken. The market is still literally seeing the indication that it can move higher in price from a long-term perspective. Now, it is weak, and I say it's weak because $140, $145 is where the market is seeing some restriction and the inability to continue to see the market moving higher in price. When you look at Beyond Meat on a weekly time frame, you can see right here over the last couple of weeks, 140, 145 is literally where the market is finding a problem. It cannot move higher from that level, and we will continue to see the market move lower until we see strength come in at 140 or even $145, period. Okay. So we've had 4 consecutive weeks into the market for Beyond Meat to try to move higher in price, and it failed each week. That lets you know already off top that the market is not as strong as what some analysts may tell you. So what we're going to do on this video is that we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Beyond Meat. Now, I've told you that this ascending line is still in place, so the market can literally just come down to 130 right here, and the inclusion of strength can be seen there, letting us know that the confirmation of strength is still there in the long term, and you would expect the market to move higher from that point. So that's how we're going to have to play the market as a forecast, is that we're going to expect the weakness to continue, look for some strength to come in around 130 for the market traffic can try to hold. But if we break 130 on weakness, then definitely the trend to the upside is going to be broken. Know that for a fact. Okay. And you can see it all, many of these 4-hour price bars. You guys can still see here how the market in Beyond Meat is losing that interest. So yeah, we're going to play the market weakness in Beyond Meat for the moment, but 130 will have to be the location of TP. Okay, because literally I'm telling you now that that could be where the strength comes into the market. So that'd be about 2 3/4% profitability for this particular product. But we're going to extend it down just a little bit lower towards like 125 into the market for Beyond Meat. And now we just need to literally sit back and allow the market trapper to do his business and see precisely his ideas of where he's trying to take the market in Beyond Meat. Okay, so yeah, it is weak, not necessarily all that weak right now, but if the market breaks below 130, oh, definitely the weakness is definitely controlling this particular product. Understand that. So yeah, we're going to continue to play some of this weakness into the market in Beyond Meat. We're going to TP the market around 130, 2 3/4% profit in that particular move, but it might just touch down a little bit lower than that. So let's just see how the market fares out in Beyond Meat. Make sure you maintain that profitability, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.